You winning was not part of the plan. You have literally shocked a lot of people. You have accomplished so much that a lot of people are now wondering if you are magic. You know, some of you came from humble beginnings. Some of you worked in a job role that was not paid well, but you still done it anyway. And you had this dream. You may have mentioned this to friends, family members, that, you know, one day I'm going to run my own business, or one day I'm going to own my own house, or one day, you know, and people just thought, yeah, one day, whatever. But you knew, you had that faith, you had that vision, you had that drive, you were very determined. Despite what people thought about you, you knew that you were going to make it, and you did. You have silenced your doubters, silence your critics, your competitors, because many people have been trying to compete with you. And people are watching in awe. How did they do it? With no backing, especially for some of you from family. You know, you watch other family members getting support, getting care, getting encouragement. And some of you didn't have that. Some of you grew up in toxic family households where everyone was competing with everyone, or it was an abusive household. Trigger warning, really sorry, butterflies. Sending my love and a cyber hug. Some of you went through it. Or maybe you grew up with a parent that, you know, you had to look after. You were the main carer, or you grew up with a parent that told you that you wouldn't amount to nothing because they didn't do anything with their life. It could vary. Regardless of the fact, many people counted you out. They thought that you would not be able to create a legacy for yourself. So while they were doubting you, you were planning, you were focused, you were determined. You did not give up on yourself. You see, your dream was very big, too big for some of these haters, even if they are family. They thought that your life was going to pan out a certain way. They created endings for you in their own mind. Oh, they're going to probably get like a job like this, or they're probably going to be, you know, living like this. And these could be friends that you've walked away from. Past lovers also, that thought that they were better than you. That thought that, oh, I can't be with you because you're not the right fit. I want to be around movers and shakers. I want to go into a certain environment, and I need a partner that looks a certain way. I want to be with the elites. Meanwhile, you wanted you both to win. But even for some of you, certain partners thought that they were better than you. They thought that, yeah, you look good, you got talent, you got skill, but he ain't going to amount to nothing. I need to be seen. Many people wanted to be seen. And many people may have felt like you didn't look the part to be seen with. And some of these individuals were secretly trying to compete with you. They had the means to help, but they chose not to because they thought if they helped you, then you would eclipse them. And so you had to settle for some of you, low-paying jobs, and you hoped for the best, really. Some of you were losing your faith. Some of you had to rebuild yourself from the bottom up because you lost everything. And what a contrast to how you are now to how you were then. Some of you are in positions of power. And people are shocked because they counted you out. And these same people are, oh yeah, I always knew. Could you lend me 2 bills, bro? Could you lend me 500? Could you get me a job at your workplace? Because you're the manager, because you're the boss, because you're the CEO, because you're the supervisor now, yeah? Can I work for you is what some of you people are going to hear. Some of you have your own companies, or you will do in this lifetime. So whatever it is that you have in your mind's eye, you can do it. You can achieve it. No dream is too big. You just need to plan. You need to keep the faith, and you need to take action. Where you are now is not going to be your destiny in the next, say, 3 to 5 years. Things can change. You're changing on a daily basis, but your change should be to evolve, to become a better version of you and towards your goals. Don't care about the haters. Don't care about the doubters. Use them as fuel. Yeah? Because what they wanted for you was for you to be lacking confidence in yourself, in your abilities, in your talents, basically to give up on yourself, right? Because there was a fear, not gonna lie, there was a fear like, oh, but what if they know who they are? What if they go out in the world? They're gonna take over the world. They were right. So whatever blockages that they tried to put in your way also are being banished. The main blockage for you was your mindset. You have to change your mindset to get to where you are now, or you're changing your mindset. And people are confused. They're in awe. They're angry. Because for some of you, what they wanted for you is now their reality. And they're thinking, oh, they destiny swap. No, darling. They tried to stop and block. And in some cases, they tried to destiny swap with you. They're just shocked that you had the guts and the audacity to go after your dreams, to turn your dreams into reality, to create your own legacy, your own empire. You are amazing. You're brilliant. You're masterful. You're fabulous. And don't they know it? You or the people that I mentioned in screening could be of the signs: Taurus, Capricorn, Libra, Leo. We've got Taurus again. I'm hearing for some of you, thank God you didn't marry that person. This person is sad and thinking, if only I stayed with him, if only I stayed with her, we'll be winning. Because they may have heard about, or they may have seen, something that suggests that you are successful right now, that you're winning. Maybe you've got into a new partnership with a mover and shaker, people that they are eager to get into rooms with. You could be dating someone that is in a position of power, or for some of you, you are in that position of power. You are this person's superior now. You see, you mustn't judge, Aries, I digress. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. Stay humble, stay blessed, and keep focused, because in this life, you are going to win.